How did the Crown Heights market do in 2023, Q4, as well as the entirety of 2023? Let's talk about it. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newton here, Chris Newton Real Estate, chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. In this video, we're going to focus on Crown Heights, Brooklyn, where I'm from. Okay, so I always say I'm from Prospect. It's the truth. I'm from the border of Crown Heights and Prospect Heights. Okay, so we're going to start off with co-ops. We're going to do Q4 as well as the entirety of 2023. Let's start with co-ops. In Q4, we sold 4 co-ops in the Crown Heights market. Average price point, $659,000, so not too much, about $660, right? Again, we're not used to a lot of co-ops in Prospect Heights. 30 days on the market. The average unit took 30 days to sell. So we have an average days on market for 30 days for the co-ops in Q4. Let's talk 2023 as an entirety. In 2023, we sold 19 co-ops. So it's about 5 co-ops a quarter. 5 co-ops a quarter isn't bad, especially when we don't have a lot of co-ops for sale in the area. Average price point, $492,000. So Q4, we sold more as far as dollar for dollar. Now, when you average out all 4 quarters, we're down $492,000. Average days on the market, 121 days. That means Q4, things was flying. The entirety, it takes almost, 5 months, I wanna say, 4 to 5 months. Again, there aren't a lot of co-ops, so the co-op market is not booming in Crown Heights, how just up the road in Prospect Heights is booming, it's on fire. Let's talk condos. Now we have more condo activity in Crown Heights. So in Q4, we sold 24 condos in Q4 for an average price point of $929,000. Just under $1 million. That's not bad at all. That's actually phenomenal. So just under $1 million, $929,000, 24 co-ops on average. Took an average time of 58 days on the market to sell, so just under 2 months. So just under 2 months to make over $900,000. That's great. Not getting that in the bank. I always say that. That's great. Not getting that in the bank. It rhymes, but it kind of doesn't. Anyway, let's stay focused. For the entirety of 2023, 146 condos sold. 146 condos sold. Way better than what we did with the co-ops. Again, we have more condo activity, so it's less restrictions. That's very much more attractive than with the co-op situation. $948,000, so again, just under $1 million, so on about 950, you want to round it up. 950,000 was the average sale per unit for an average days on the market of 85. So just under 3 months it took for these condos to sell on average. Let's talk townhouses now. Townhouses. Q3, we sold 24, so we matched the condo activity. Condos, we sold 24 in Q3. In Q4, we sold 24 in Q4. Now, the price point are definitely going to be a lot bigger. These are townhouses, and Crown Heights is known for the townhouses, especially up and down Eastern Parkway. Known for the townhouses, 1.711. So $1,711,000 was the average price point for the townhouses. We had an average days on market of 79. So again, this is just over 2 months to sell these townhouses at 1.7. That's insane. That's great. That's why I love Crown Heights. Crown Heights, I love you so much. In the entirety of 2023, how did we do? 118 townhouses for the entirety of 2023. Phenomenal. So we sell more condos in Crown Heights. However, we sell at a higher price point for the townhouses. Great. Average price point 1.597, so about 1.6. So we dropped when you average things out, which means a couple of townhouses were a little less expensive, which brought the price point down for the entirety of 2023. However, 1.6 is still not bad for a townhouse sale. It actually went up a couple years ago. I want to say maybe last year or a year and a half ago, the average price point for a townhouse in Crown Heights was 1.4. So we're definitely on the rise. And you guys will see that video because I took a tour in Crown Heights in here, so you guys will be able to see that. 89 days on the market was the average, so just under 3 months. So Crown Heights, you guys did amazing. You guys did amazing. I'm proud of you. I'm proud to be here. I'm proud to be from Crown Heights. Crown Heights, Prospect. You guys want to buy in Crown Heights? I'm the guy in Crown Heights. Yes, from the area. Nobody knows it better than me. I might as well have built the neighborhood my damn self. All right? Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, I talk to you guys soon. Later.